Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 1970 Challenger. She's got a 440 under the hood, making 468 horsepower. This baby's doing 520 foot-pounds of torque. The RT emblem on that purple paint is looking sweet. We got great looking chrome here. We got upgraded headlights. The grille, this whole area looks like it's brand new. I mean, this has got to be what this car looked like when it was brand new. Just a few upgraded Restomod stuff, like the bigger wheels and tires, which looks sweet. It's got a 4-speed automatic trans in it, and it is gorgeous. We got great looking seats in this thing. Let me pop open the door here. We got great looking upholstery, carpeting, chrome on the interior. That center console looks good. It's got the pistol grip shifter on that automatic trans. We got seat belts in the front and the rear. It looks like we got the shoulder belts there also. Headliners looking good, dome lights working. I mean, everything about this car is just gorgeous. You see the finishes on the dash. Looks brand new in there, man. She is a beauty. You can see the door jambs here too. Look how nice and clean all these are. You can see that the latch wasn't painted when they did the restoration. Looks like all the rubber's brand new. I'm gonna grab the keys here so we can get in the trunk. As you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. I didn't get the door shut. You can see the spoiler looking good. We got great looking chrome in the back, and look at those exhaust tips, man. That's where that 440's playing the music right there. Beautiful exhaust tips on it. Again, I just love this spoiler. We'll get inside the trunk here. Look inside the floor, look at that. You gotta look underneath these mats on every car. We got a jack and lug wrench here. They've even got the Restomod wheel in here with the spare on there. Isn't that sweet? You can see all the paint work here. They've got the extra brace here for the wing. Just everything looking beautiful. As you look down the side, she looks great. Just beautiful. Now, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. So that means that we spend the time to check it out before we buy it. This thing's also got 4-wheel disc brakes on it. The first thing that happens to every vehicle here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift so we can check out the underside, we can take our pictures, and we can do our video of the bottom side so you know exactly what this baby's gonna look like when it hits your driveway. Now you're watching us on YouTube right now. If you want to check out about 100 pictures of the car, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can send you a notification every time we get a new car in. Hit that little bell button. All right, here we go for a ride. We got 70 Challenger here. I was just out driving this thing's younger brother, or maybe its son, driving a 17 Hellcat. I think I like this better because you know what? You can get a Hellcat anywhere. You can go down to the dealership, you can buy one online. You do not find these cars built to this quality with a big block in them. Beautiful color on the outside, beautiful restoration. Just an amazing car right here. I guarantee you pull into a gas station, and if there's a Hellcat there and one of these, you're gonna get everybody looking at you before they look at that Hellcat. She is a beauty, and we can ship her anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful car and just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. We can help you out with financing too. Oh, here comes the semi truck, better watch out. These guys are freaking crazy. The guy had a cigarette hanging out of his mouth, driving with one hand. All right, back to this beautiful Challenger. Look down there on the dash, everything's looking sweet. Now the tack is not working right now. I'll have the guys take a look at that. Now the clock is going round and round, but I would not count on it to keep perfect time. It does have the stock radio in it. We'll see if it's playing any music. Yep, it's playing music. Of course, if you wanted to upgrade it to one of them fancy stereos that you can hook up to your phone and everything, that's possible too. She's sounding great, and if you'd like to come visit us, we'd love to have you. We're close to the airport if you need to fly in, and we'll come in on Saturdays if you make an appointment. So just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. Now you're watching us on YouTube right now, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell button so you get a notification every time we get a cool car just like this one in. Now we're coming up on our shop here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're about to do something that only Vanguard does to all their cars. We're gonna put it in the air and look at the bottom. Look at the bottom of this baby. Brand new tank, brand new exhaust. These tips are sweet. You can see the paintwork right down to the bottom edge is looking good. We got great looking brake lines here. We got Wilwood disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors. And look at the fuel system up here. They did a beautiful job on all the plumbing up there. Right around the 355 gear, and it is a sure grip, 489 case. Drive shafts all painted up, Dynamax mufflers here. Floorboards are all done up, looking sweet. We've got these floor braces that are all welded in, looking beautiful. I mean, they did a beautiful job on this car. We got a brand new brake line going front to back. It looks like the parking brake cable is also brand new. Looks like the fuel lines are also brand new. We got a return line and a supply. We got a 4L60E that's been adapted to this 440, which is super cool, guys. I mean, they got a little heat shield here, and I'm gonna have to call this guy back. Hey, Tommy. Hey, Tommy, I'm not doing a video here on the underside of a car. I'll call you back. We got Wilwood brakes up front here. We got brand new Bilstein shocks up here. Everything up here is painted and cleaned up. I mean, the spindles look like they're new. The steering gear all looks new. I mean, just everything about this car. We got aftermarket adjusters here on our tie rod ends. I mean, look how pretty the bottom side of this car is, man. You're gonna have to get some mirrors and show off the bottom side of this baby. I'll tell you what, or just pop the hood and nobody will look at the bottom. Look at these wheels. I love these wheels. These are so cool. Now these are actually aluminum wheels. They are painted in the center so they look like steels with trim rings, but those are actually aluminum wheels. Let's see if I can find the size here. These are BFGs. They're G-Forces. There we are, 245, 45, 17s up front. Always look at the rockers on any car that you're working on or looking at buying. Always feel around on the back side of the front fender here. That's what I do. That's nice and smooth, nice and clean. You can see that pinch weld looks fantastic. Now these are all just drain holes when you see that little divot in the Mopar. Now out back here, we got the same good looking wheels, and we got a little more rubber, 275 40 17s back here. Wheel lip moldings look good, and man, look at that purple paint. She is gorgeous. All right, we're under the hood now, and I tell you what, it is beautiful under the hood. We got 440 power, like I said earlier, 468 horsepower, 520 torque. You can see it's got an upgraded pulley system here. It's all serpentine, looking sweet. Later model Sanderson AC compressor. And take a look at these fans, man. Look at that fan shroud. Isn't that sharp? That looks like it should be on the front of a Mack truck. We got an Optima battery. We got power brakes, power steering. We've got Aluminum heads on this baby, aluminum intake. I mean, look at the finish work on everything. And then I gotta show you this. We got Sniper EFI. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Man, it looks good. I love those Sniper setups. I actually put one on my car and it works phenomenal. Really love it. Now it looks like we've got MSD wires here. It's got a billet distributor on it. Just everything is looking sweet under here. Take this car anywhere, pop the hood open, and you're gonna draw a crowd. Look at the paintwork, even on the bottom side of the hood's looking slick. Guys, this is one sweet machine. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.